Hello, my name is Dick Beeson. I'm the managing broker of RE/MAX Professionals, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about the local real estate market in Thurston County. You know, there's a lot of confusion, a lot of misinformation in the marketplace today, and I want to hopefully bring some clarity to that marketplace for you. I'm often asked by people when I meet them in Starbucks or at the grocery store or just walking out in the park, and they know I'm in the real estate business, and they say, "Dick, how's the real estate market?" And I look at them and I smile and I say, "Hey, that's a great question. But it depends. Are you buying, selling, leasing, or investing? They're all really different." Today we're going to talk about selling a home in Thurston County. And what does that look like? Well, currently there's about a 4-month supply of homes in Thurston County. What that means is this, that if not another home came up for sale in Thurston County for the rest of the year, at the current pace we're selling homes, it would take about 4 months to sell every home. Amazing. No more for sale signs. Well, that may not happen. I'd be out of business if that happened. So I'm hoping that people out there like yourselves would consider keeping on when it comes to selling. Additionally, there are about 1,100 homes for sale last year as opposed to 1,300 homes for sale this year. That's an increase of about 18%. What that means is that there's more competition for sellers today. However, about 20% of that marketplace, as far as listings are concerned, are distressed properties, bank-owned, short sale. If you're not one of those two, you've got a much stronger position in the market than before. When you're selling a home, there's always two critical pieces to the puzzle that need to be met. Number one, you got to price your home competitively. Number two, you have to get it in the best condition that you can afford to get it in. If you're able to do those two things, you'll be a sold property in Thurston County this year. In addition to that, the number of buyers in the marketplace are almost identical this year, 2014, as opposed to last year, 2013. And the number of buyers last year in 2013 were 20% higher than the number of buyers in 2012. So we're on a good pace, even though the market has changed slightly because of more inventory. Finally, the median price has stayed almost the same year over year, from 13 to 14, even though more homes have come up for sale. That's a good thing for sellers. That means that we're not slipping backwards. That means that the pace is just right. And all of the signs point to a successful marketplace. Sometimes buyers become sellers, sellers become buyers, and frankly, one of the things I love is when a seller becomes a buyer. I love to be able to help them transition and right-size their family, get them to the place they want to be. Next week I'll be talking about buyers and what that looks like in the buyer's world today in Thurston County, how they would strategize, how would they step up and buy a home, what are the things they need to be paying attention to. But for sellers this month, I just want to let you know it's a good time to be selling your home. Contact your local real estate professional. Call me. I'd love to help you. My number is 253-988-1098. My personal mission statement is to achieve excellence by service to others, to make a positive difference in people's lives on a daily basis. I'd love to be able to help you do that very thing. Thank you, and have a great day.